Hey, welcome to another FlareCourt Media follow-up thing. Actually, this might be the first follow-up thing I've done. But anyway, a couple of weeks ago, I reviewed and unboxed the Rode Wireless Go microphone system. And that's currently actually what I'm using to record the audio of this video right now. So everything you hear is from that. And I haven't used it a whole lot because I noticed that the receiving unit, which is hooked into the camera, the power button on it was a little loose. And so when I tried to push the power button, if I pushed it with my right hand, I think it's just the angle, I couldn't turn it on or off. But if I pushed with my left hand, it worked fine because it looked like the little actuator switch had got shoved off to the side is how it feels, compared to the transmitting unit, which the button feels nice and clicky, and I don't have any problems turning it on. So I reached out to Rode and told them about the button issue, and like that, they responded to me, no questions asked, said they would send out a replacement unit all the way from their facility in Australia. I actually don't know if they're located in Australia. You'd think with that O, they're not from Australia, but maybe they are. Anyway, they said they'd send out a replacement unit from Australia, provided that I send back the defective unit in a prepaid shipping label that they're going to include in the box. So I said, sure. So it only took about 1 week from the time we finished our email conversation to receiving the package. And so that's what I actually have here today, is the package from Rode. So I wanted to unbox it, let you know about their customer service, how quick it was, let you know if this new unit has the same issue with that button. And yeah, I just think if something's broken and I tell you something's broken and I reach out to the company and they respond back, I should tell you how that interaction went. So that's what these follow-up things are going to be. So we're going to unbox this really fast here. So yeah, they didn't charge me anything. And they said there's a prepaid shipping label in there. Okay. So some foam peanuts. Okay. Holy cow. So I did not tell them that I made a video or review or anything about this. I just reached out as a normal customer would. But wow, they included a Rode baseball cap. Wow. I don't know about the flat bill. Maybe it looks all right. Okay, so they also included a new Rode Wireless Go. And there's more stuff in here. A Rode lapel pin. It's kind of neat. And I heart Rode microphones. I kind of do right now because this customer service is above and beyond. I mean, when I worked in customer service, our motto was, yeah, go above and beyond expectations. So not like I worked at a pizza place, and if a customer called and complained about pizza, we would send them a new pizza along with soda and breadsticks and stuff like that. I want to make sure I'm not missing anything else. I hate to dump these peanuts out. So get everywhere. I don't have a bag though. Okay, so there's nothing else in the box, but there's also no shipping label. So I'll have to check the email again because they said send back the defective unit in the shipping label. I mean, I don't mind paying a little bit to ship it back to them. I'll have to check the email real fast. Okay, so I just checked the email and it says, yes, if you'd be willing to send it back in the bag included with the shipment. But there's no bag included. So rather than do a follow-up to this follow-up video, if you're really curious if I have to send this back or not, go check out the blog post related to this. Every video I make, I do a blog post on FlareCourtMedia.com. So I will reach back out to them and find out how I'm supposed to get the faulty one back to them and post on there once I find out what the actual status is. Because right now it looks like they're letting me keep it along with all this swag, and they're not paying me to do this. I bought this one. I reached out as a normal customer, didn't use FlareCourt Media in there at all, just my name. So anyway, that's right. Yeah, I remember it was a difficult box to open, supposedly. Sorry for kind of making a little light of the unboxing. I know some people find it harder than others. Anyway, the thing we want to find out is the power button fixed with this? Also, with the other one, the power plug was a little tight. So let's just see if it was just the one unit or both units. So everything else, I mean, it looks exactly the same. Little wind guards, there's a bag, there's a bungee cord. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. Here's the transmitter. Uh-oh. Okay, that's right. You have to hold it for 3 seconds. So it was with my right hand in this configuration that I was having a hard time pushing it. Yeah, I mean, it feels better. I just wanted to verify. It feels like a normal trigger should. So let's try this one. Just want to check the tightness of these plugs. Yeah, that feels perfect. And this one, ooh, also still tight. So both transmitters, the plug is a little tight. I mean, it charges fine, it's just snug. Yeah, so looks like the one they sent back is fine. So I just got, my first one was slightly faulty. It still worked, but it had a little glitch on it. But their customer service, Rode, customer service is outstanding. I wasn't expecting any of this. I was just happy to not have to fight to get a replacement. My DJI Osmo Pocket, I've been having an audio issue with that, and I was back and forth, trying to get them to believe me that there's an echo in there, and they said, oh, that's just, in the end, that's how it's supposed to be. I'm still not sure I believe them, but I said, no questions asked with Rode, they just sent me a new one. So, yep, if you're interested in picking up a wireless Go microphone yourself, there's an affiliate link down in the video description below. Using that helps support the channel. You can't go wrong with their customer service, and if you like the audio that you're hearing, that's the audio quality you'll be getting with one of these. Otherwise, I recommend their Rode Video Micro as well, the little shotgun mic. I use that all the time as well. So if you like seeing these follow-up videos, let me know in the comments below, because I think follow-up to broken things and customer service is as important as the actual product itself. So I'll try and do more of these if you guys like them. But until next time, I'm doing what I love. Keep doing what you love. Thanks for watching.